Hands-on Suturing was created in the spring of 2020 in response to the need for a course that provided live, direct feedback to those perfecting this detail-oriented skill. For the past year, we have provided this one-of-a-kind program to cohort after cohort, and although it was created during the pandemic, this program is here to stay. In addition to being approved by MEEC for 8 hours of continuing education, it also has been specifically approved by NARM to qualify as a Category 1 hands-on course for the NARM Midwifery Birth Certificate. And that approval will continue on even after the pandemic eventually ends. So how do we provide personalized feedback on your skills when you are in another state or sometimes in another country? Hands-on Suturing is a hybrid of on-demand courses and live Zoom sessions. And the program works like this. When you enroll in Hands-on Suturing, you are enrolling as part of a small group for a specific date. And on that date, you will join up to 5 other participants, as well as Holly Scholas and myself, for a live small group session through Zoom. If you are not able to attend that session for any reason, there is a makeup session the following week, which you may attend for an additional fee. Prior to your small group session, you will complete the on-demand portion of the course and pass a written exam. Your registration includes the loan of a supply kit, which is sent out a couple weeks prior to your small group session, so you can practice along with the on-demand videos. Those who wish to start practicing earlier may choose to purchase a keeper kit instead. Both kit options provide you with all of the supplies you need to participate in the course, except for a pair or 2 of gloves, which you likely already have on hand. When we gather for the live small group session, we go into further depth in the areas of the written exam that were tricky for you and the others in your cohort, answer any questions you may have, and take turns practicing suturing skills. The clamp stand we include in your supply kit allows Holly to see your technique up close and to provide you with live, direct, personalized feedback. Following the small group cohort, you will have a private session, which provides an additional opportunity to clarify any remaining areas of confusion and for you to pass your skills test. The times available for this private session may be found in the cohort-specific information prior to enrollment. Private sessions outside of those times are available by special arrangement for an additional fee. Once you have passed your skills exam, you return your supply kit, complete the course evaluation, and then we send your CE certificate. For 8 hours of continuing education, all taken from the convenience of your home or office. If you are interested in taking this course, please be sure you are signed up on our interest list, as most cohorts fill up during early registration. More details about the course are available on the course page and through the FAQ linked there. And of course, if you have questions at any point, you can email me, jessica@hivece.com.